Yes, welcome to today's aptitude session, my dear viewers. In this session, I'm going to explain one more important topic that is called unit digit. Right? This is another most important topic for placements. For placements, another important topic, unit digit. In this unit digit concept, I'm going to explain how to calculate the unit digit of these typical questions in the matter of 2 to 3 seconds how to solve. Such kind of logics I'm going to explain. These are really very bigger numbers, but I will explain how to calculate the unit digit of these type of questions also. In this session, mostly I will cover how to calculate the unit digit for the all kinds of problems. Right? This one video is more than enough for unit digit understanding of unit digit completely. Right? So this where this unit digit topic is helpful. Let us see. This unit digit topic is helpful in all these placements and all these competitive examinations, right? Exact, MAT, IFT, CAT, CMAT, AMCAT, AMCAT, IPMAT, and also the most of the companies that I'm going to show over here, right? So every company, mostly they are gonna give one question on unit digit in the written test. This is the importance of this topic. So let us start the session. Topic is unit digit part 1. Right, unit digit. Let us see this example. 231 into 724 into 843. In this result, what is the unit digit? In this result, what is the unit digit? Simply 1 into 4 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. The unit digit is 2. This is the unit digit of this result. One more example, 247 into 749 into 843. What is the unit digit of this result? 7 nines are 63, 3 threes are 9. So in this result also the unit digit is 9. Now from these two examples, what is the clarification? For calculating unit digit, it is enough to consider unit digit in the question. For example, 21 into 21, which is nothing but 441. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. Here also unit digit is 1. So 21 square, if the number is given in this format, it is enough to consider only this digit. It means the unit digit of 21 square, the unit digit of 121 square, the unit digit of 3121 square, the unit digit of 53121 square, for all these the unit digit is same, right? So the complete conclusion is, for calculating unit digit, it is enough to consider only unit digit in the base of the given number. I am talking about base. Base of the given number, it is enough to consider only unit digit. No need to consider these digits. No need to consider these digits. No need to consider these digits. This is the first point. So just consider only base in the given number. For example, if the question is 4329 power 784, this is the question. In this, what is the unit digit if he is asking? So consider this number in as 9 power 784 only. No need to consider this 432, because the unit digit is depends upon only the base of the unit digit of the base, not the rest of the digits. That is the reason why. Right? One point is crystal clear, I hope. One point is crystal clear, right? Consider only what? base of the unit digit. Rest of the number no need. Now let us see. Now I'm going to explain the pattern of repetition of unit digit, which is simply cyclicity also we can say. For example, if we see 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 power 4 is 16. Now 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6 is 64, 2 power 7 is 128, 2 power 8 256, 2 power 9 512, 2 power 10 1024. Now see, I'm just taking digit 2, right? Unit digit is 2. 2 power 1 unit digit is 2. Very important point I'm explaining. 2 power 1 unit digit is 2. 2 power 5 unit digit is 2. 2 power 9 unit digit is 2. Now 2 power 1 to 2 power 5. How many powers? 4 powers. 2 power 5 to 2 power 9. How many powers? 4 powers. So therefore here for the digit 2 the unit digit is repeated. For the digit 2 the unit digit is repeated after every 4 powers, right? After how many powers the unit digit is repeated is called cyclicity. After how many powers unit digit is repeated is called cyclicity. So for the digit 2, what is the cyclicity value? 4, which means for the digit 2 after every 4 powers unit digit is going to be repeated. Now let us see for the digit 4. 4 power 4, 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. 4 cube is 64. 4 power 4, 16 square, 256. Now see, unit digit is 4, unit digit is 4. 4 power 1, unit digit is 4. 4 cube, unit digit is 4. Unit digit is repeated. After how many powers? Power 1 to power 3. After 2 powers. Let us see here also. Unit digit is 6. Unit digit is 6. Now power 2 to power 4. After how many powers? 2 powers. Which means for the digit 4, for every 2 powers, the unit digit is repeated. Therefore, for the digit 4, the cyclicity is 9. Sorry, for the digit 4, the cyclicity is 2. Similarly, for the digit 9, 9 power 1 is 9. 9 square is 81. 9 cube 729, which means unit digit is 9, unit digit is 9, repeated after 2 powers. So for the digit 9 also the cyclicity value is 2. Now let us check the cyclicity value of 5. 5 power 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. Unit digit is 5. 5 cube is 125. Unit digit is repeated. So for every power the unit digit is repeated for the digit 5. Therefore the digit 5 the cyclicity value is 1. In this way we can calculate the cyclicity values to all the digits. That list is for the digit 0, 1, 5, 6. For these digits the cyclicity value is 1, which means for every 1 power the unit digit is repeated. Now for the digits 4, 9, the cyclicity value is 2. Now the rest of the digits 2, 3, 7, 8. For these digits the cyclicity value is 4. Right? This is the list. list of cyclicity values and the corresponding digits. List of cyclicity values and the corresponding digits, right? Now, very important point. What is cyclicity? After how many powers the unit digit is repeated is called cyclicity. Now, the cyclicity value can be 1 or 2 or 4. Now, instead of remembering 3 cyclicity values, what I am going to conclude is the generic cyclicity of any digit. The generic cyclicity of any digit, we can take it as 4. Why? For every 1 power unit digit is repeated, which means for every 4 powers also unit digit is repeated, because 4 is multiple of 1. For every 2 powers unit digit is repeated. It means for every 4 powers also unit digit is repeated, because 4 is the multiple of 2. That is the reason why instead of remembering cyclicity 1, cyclicity 2, cyclicity 4, 3 different cyclicity numbers, it is enough to remember one cyclicity value. That is how much? 4. The generic cyclicity of any digit is 4. It means the unit digit is repeated for every 4 powers for any digit. The unit digit is repeated for every 4 powers for any digit. That is the reason why the generic cyclicity of any digit is 4. After 4 powers, unit digit must repeats. Unit digit must repeat. Now, based on this, I am going to give one beautiful conclusion. Just see. 2 power 1 unit digit is 2. 2 power 5 is 32. Unit digit is 2. 2 power 9 is 512. Unit digit is 2. Now see, every 4 powers, right? This base I am taking as any digit. For example, 12 power 4 unit digit we need. No need to consider this digit, which means in base only single digit. In base only single digit. That single digit I am taking it as a base. Now a power 1 unit digit is 2, right? Now a power 5 unit digit is also 2. This 5 can be written as 4 into 1 plus 1. Why I am taking 4? For every 4 powers unit digit is repeated. That is the reason why. Now a power 9 unit digit is also 2. 9 can be written as 4 into 2 plus 1. Its unit digit is 2. Now, based on a power 1 unit digit is 2, a power 4 into 1 plus 1 unit digit is 2, a power 4 into 2 plus 1 unit digit is 2, we can conclude that unit digit of a power 4k plus 1 is equal to unit digit of a power 1. This is the final conclusion here. Power is in which form? 4k plus 1. Right? A power 4k plus 1 unit digit is the same as a power 1, which means a power 33 is its unit digit is the same as a power 1, because a power 33 is nothing but 4 into 8 plus 1. This is in which form? A power 4k plus 1. A power 4k plus 1 unit digit is the same as a power 1. I am not telling that a power 33, a power 1 are equal. I am telling that unit digit of a power 33 is same as unit digit of a power 1. Unit digit of a power 33 is same as unit digit of a power 1. The conclusion is unit digit of a power 4k plus 1 is equal to unit digit of a power 1. This is one conclusion. Now we'll see another conclusion also, right? We'll see another conclusion. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 6 is 64. Unit digit is 4. 2 power 10 is nothing but 1024. Unit digit is 4. Let us see. Base I am taking as a. A square unit digit is 4. A power 6 can be written as 4 into 1 plus 2. Its unit digit is also 4. 10 can be written as 4 into 2 plus 2. Its unit digit is also 4. From these three examples, what we can conclude? Unit digit of a power 4k plus 2 is equal to unit digit of a power 2. Right? Now I am giving, so the overall conclusions are unit digit of a power is in which form? 4k plus 1. Its unit digit is the same as unit digit of what? Unit digit of a power 1. In the similar way, unit digit of a power 4k plus 2 is same as unit digit of a power 2. Now unit digit of a power 4k plus 3 is same as unit digit of a power 3. Power is in 4k plus 1 form, 4k plus 2 form, power in 4k plus 3 form. Now unit digit of a power 4k plus 4. A power 4k plus 4 is nothing but a power 4k form, right? 4k is multiple of 4 and we are adding 4, which means 4k plus 4 is nothing but 4k form, 4 multiple. So unit digit of a power 4k is same as unit digit of a power 4. Unit digit of a power 4. Right. This is very, very important slide. Unit digits. What are the unit digits? To what these are equal? Power we need to concentrate. Power. Now, as the generic cyclicity of any digit is how much? 4. That is the reason why powers I am taking as 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2, 4k plus 3 and 4k plus 4. Right. Now, just see the example. 23 power 413. For this we need unit digit. Based on the explanation till now, what I was given, its unit digit is simply 3 power is simply same as the unit digit of 3 power 413. No need to consider this digit. Now the next thing is what? Its unit digit is same as 3 power 13. Just consider only these two digits. Only two digits in power consider. That's enough. Only two digits in power. Just consider only two digits. Why? The divisibility rule of 4 is nothing but last two digits. Last two digits. Whether the power is in 4k plus 1 form or 4k plus 2 form or 4k plus 3 form or 4k form, that we can know by dividing the power by 4. Power divided by 4. Power divided by 4. To get the power divided by 4, you no need to consider complete power in the power. Right, just consider only two digits, right? Because the remainder of 413 by 4 is equal to remainder of 13 by 4. Since the divisibility rule of 4 is what? Last two digits. That is the reason why. Now the overall conclusion is with this example. For example, 329 power 743. This is the question has been given. Its unit digit is same as 9 power 43. Whatever the number that he has been given, in that, in the base, just consider only unit digit. In the power, consider only last two digits. That is enough. Why we are considering only one digit in the base, and why we are considering only last two digits in the power? That explanation is over. That explanation is over. Now see the examples. For example, 3 power 983. 3 power 980. Its unit digit we require. Simply what we need to do, 3 power 83 unit digit is enough. No need to consider this one. Now 83 is in which form? 83 divided by 4. It is in which form? 4k plus 3 form, because 4 into 20 is 80 plus 3, which is nothing but this is in 4k plus 3 form. So this is in 3 power 4k plus 3 form. So a power 4k plus 3 unit digit is same as unit digit of a power 3. A power 3, here 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is 27, unit digit is 7. Right? Just now we have seen that a power 4k plus 3 unit digit is same as the unit digit of a power 3. Now the power is in which form? That is what we need. 4k plus 1 or 4k plus 2 or 4k plus 3 or 4k plus 4k. That's it. Right? Now see the examples, original examples. Now 3 power 983, just now we have seen. Now we'll see this question. 7 power 542. It is simply 7 power 42. We are calculating the unit digit. Unit digit of this one and this one are 7, are same. Now 7 power 42 is in which form? 4k plus 2. 4 into 10 plus 2. Nothing but 4k plus 2. So a power 4k plus 2 unit digit is same as a square unit digit. Here a is 7. 7 square is 49, unit digit is 9. Therefore 7 power 542 unit digit is how much? 9. 9. A power 4k plus 2 unit digit is same as unit digit of a square. I am not telling these two are equal. Unit digits are equal. Now the next one. Individually I am finding, then I am going to multiply. 6 power anything. Just now we have seen what is the cyclicity value of 6? It is 1. 6 power 1 is 6. 6 square is 36. 6 cube is 216. Now 6 power anything, unit digit is 6. Now the first term unit digit is 6. Now the second term, just see this, this is nothing but 3 power 21, right? We need to consider only one digit in the base and power only two digits. 21 is in which form? 4 5s are 20 plus 1. This is 4k plus 1 form. Its unit digit is simply 3 power 1, a power 1. Now here 7 power 82. 82 is in which form? 4k plus 2. 24s are 80 plus 2. 7 power 4k plus 2 unit digit is same as 7 square. 7 square unit digit is 9. 6 3s are 18, unit digit is 8. 8 9s are 72. So the overall unit digit is 2. The overall unit digit is 2. Next question. It is in multiplication. Now see. Its unit digit is same as 4 power 02 plus its unit digit is same as 4 power 03. 4 power 03. Right? 4 power 03. Okay, fine. Now let us see. It is better to remember 4 power odd. This is nothing but 4 power 4k plus 2 form. This is nothing but 4 power 4k plus 3 form, right? So unit digits are simply unit digit of 4 square plus unit digit of 4 cube. 4 square unit digit is 6. 4 cube unit digit is 4. 64 unit digits 4. 6, these are the unit digits. 6 plus 4 is 10. So the overall unit digit is 0. Overall unit digit is 0. Otherwise, for 4 and 9, it is better to remember 4 power odd unit digit is 4. 9 power odd unit digit is 9. 4 power odd unit digit is 4. 9 power odd unit digit is 9. Now 4 power even unit digit is 6. 9 power even unit digit is 1. 4 power even unit digit is 6. 9 power even unit digit is 1. Right? Otherwise, you can check the power whether it is in 4k plus 1 or 4k plus 2 or 4k plus 3 or 4k plus 4. Now the next question. This is previously asked question. Unit digit is simply 5 power 33 minus 3 power 55. So 5 power 5 to any power unit digit is 5. 6 power any unit digit is 6. 5 power any unit digit is 5. 5 power 1 5. 5 square 25 unit digit is 5. 5 cube 125 unit digit is 5. 5 to any power unit digit is 5 minus 55 is in which form? 4k plus 2. 14 3s are 52 plus 3. 4k plus 3 form. So unit digit is same as 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is 27. Unit digit is 7. Right? This is in 4k plus 3 form. That's why a power 3. A is 3. 3 power 3 is 27. Unit digit is 7. Now 5 minus 7. Just remember, this is the unit digit of this result. This is the unit digit of this result. 5 minus 7. You should not write minus 2, which is wrong. What you have to do is, you have to get the borrow from the tens place. Get the borrow from the tens place. Get the borrow from the tens place. It will become 15 minus 7, which is nothing but 8. This is the answer for this question. This is the answer for this question. 15 minus 7, which is 8. Right? 5 minus 7 minus 2. You should not write like this. So less minus more. You should get the borrow from the tens place, as these are unit digits. That is the reason why. Next question. 7 power 95 minus 3 power 58. So 7 power 95 minus 3 power 58. Okay. 95 is in which form? 95 is in which form? Just tell me. 95 is in which form? Just a minute. This is 4k plus 3 form. 4k plus 3 form minus this is 4k plus 2 form. 14 4s are 56 plus 2 58. Right? So simply unit digit is nothing but 7 power 3 unit digit minus here unit digit is simply 3 square unit digit. 7 cube is 343, unit digit is 3 minus 3 square unit digit, 3 square is 9, unit digit is 9. Right? So less minus more, get the borrow, it will become 13. 13 minus 9, unit digit is 4. Previously asked question. Right? So 95 is in which form? If you want, you can do this. 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 1, 4 3s are 12. Right? Remainder is 3. Right? Which means 95 is in which form? 4k plus 3 form. That is what I was written. Right? A power 4k plus 3 unit digit is same as a power 3. Next question. Calculate the value of x in this. Right? X square plus 79 square is equal to 172 square minus 88 square minus 8203. As the calculator is not allowed, right, you should do this manually. As the options are available, let us see. Based on the given options, if x unit digit is 6, I can put this answer. If x unit digit is 9, I can put this answer. If x unit digit is 3, I can eliminate A and B. I can eliminate A and B. So there is an advantage that if you calculate the nature of x, remember you guys are attempting the competitive exam, right? While writing the competitive exam, it is you have to bring the solution as quickly as possible with the smart methodologies, not the traditional, right? Calculation of x is simply you have to do as quickly as possible. Make use of the options help. Here I am using options help. I want to know the nature of x. No need to know the value of x. If you know the nature of x, if you can put the answer. If x nature, in the sense unit digit is 6, I can put 86. If x unit digit is 9, I can put on option B. If x unit digit is 3, I can eliminate A and B. There is an advantage. So I am going to calculate the unit digit of x. Remember, I am calculating the unit digit of x. X square plus 9 square unit digit is 1. 2 square unit digit is 4. 8 square unit digit is 4. Here unit digit is 3. So x square plus 1 is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus 3. X square plus 1. Remember, these are unit digits. There is a definitely tens place. Get the borrow. If we get the borrow, it will become 10. 10 minus 3, which means x square plus 1 is equal to 7. So x square is equal to 6, which means x square unit digit is 6. That is only possible with option A. X square unit digit is 6, which means option A. 86 square. If x is equal to 86, x square unit digit is how much? 6. That is the reason why. This is how the unit digit concept is mostly useful for doing the calculations in simplification questions as quickly as possible. One of the best suggestion is calculate the unit digit. Based on the options, you should choose the method. I have 7 golden logics with me. I have 7 golden logics with me. In those 7 golden logics, unit digit is 1. Golden logics in the sense 7 beautiful shortcut methods for simplification. In those, unit digit is one of those. Unit digit is one of those. Next, calculate the unit digit of 7 power 3, 4 power n plus 1. This is what? N is a natural number. Previously asked question. So for example, if n is equal to 1, 7 power 3 power 4 plus 1. Right? 7 power 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is how much? 9. 3 power 4 is 9 square, which is nothing but 81 plus 1. So 81 is in which form? 4k plus 1. So therefore 7 power 4k plus 1 unit digit is same as 7 power 1 unit digit plus 1. 7 power 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So unit digit is 8. Unit digit is equal to 8. For n is equal to 1 we got. Now for n is equal to even, that is 2. Let us see the unit digit. 7 power 3 power 4 2s are 8 plus 1, which is nothing but 7 power 3 power 4 is 81, which is nothing but 81 square plus 1, which is nothing but 7 power 81 square is 6561. 81 square is 6561. 6561, right? Plus 1. 6561 is in which form? This 61 is in which form? 15 4s are 60 plus 1, which means this is in 4k plus 1 form. 4k plus 1 form. Unit digit is same as a power 1. A is 7. 7 power 1 plus 1. So 8. So unit digit is 8. For unit digit is equal to 8. For n is equal to 2 also. Therefore, for even and odd of n values, we got the unit digit 8. Unit digit 8. It is simply 2 points. 2 points. Remember students, just only 2 points. For example, 249 power 846. For this we need unit digits. First thing is just consider only one digit in the base and only two digits in the power. This is enough because both these numbers unit digits are same. Now next thing is power is in which form? 4k plus 1 or 4k plus 2 or 4k plus 3 or 4k plus 4. Now here 46 is in which form? 11 fours are 44 plus 2. This is in 4k plus 2 form. So a power 4k plus 2 unit digit is same as a square. A square here 9 square. 9 square unit digit is 1. Answer, that is, this is how you need to do all the questions in the unit digit. Now next, 1 power 421 plus 2 power 421 plus 3 power 421. It is very easy, right? This is not 412, my dear students. 421, this is also 421, right? 1 power 21, 421, no need to consider all the power, just last two digits. Now 2 power 421, last two digits are 21. 3 power 21, and so on and so on. 9 power 21. Power is in which form? 4 5s are 20. 4k plus 1 form. Every power is in which form? 4k plus 1 form. A power 4k plus 1 unit digit is same as a power 1. 1 power 1 is 1. 2 power 1 is 2. 3 power 1 is 3. 4 power 1 is 4, and so on. 9 power 1 is 9. Sum of the first 9 natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. N is 9 here. 9 into 10 by 2, which is nothing but 45 is the sum. Unit digit is how much? 5. Unit digit is how much? 5. That's the answer for this question. Every power which was given in the question is in which form? 4k plus 1 form. Now, if the sum of the third powers of the first 100 natural number, third powers, first 100 natural numbers, which means 1 cube, third power is 1, right? Next natural number is 2 cube. Now next natural number is 2, third power is 3. Next natural number is 3, third power is 3. Sum he is asking, that's why plus, and so on up to 100 natural numbers, 100 power 3. This is what he is asking. Now this is ends with what? Ends in the sense what we need to calculate? Unit digit. This is simply sum of the cubes of the 100 natural numbers. Nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is the formula for calculation of sum of the cubes of the n natural numbers. Here n is 100. 100 into 101 divided by 2 whole square, which is nothing but 50, right? 0 into 1, 0. 0 square is 0. Unit digit is 0. Unit digit is 0. Unit digit is 0. Now calculate the unit digit of this one. No need to fear, my dear students, whatever the factorial is given. If the factorial is given, no need to fear. If the factorial is given, it is much more easy question. It is much more easy question. Why it is easy question, I will tell, right? What we are checking, whether the power is in 4k plus 1 form or power is in 4k plus 2 form, power is in 4k plus 3 form, power is in 4k plus 4k form. Let us see. Here 123 factorial, for example 5 factorial. 5 factorial is nothing but, if the power is 5 factorial, I am talking. If the power is 5 factorial, 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is nothing but 4 multiple, right? 4 multiple. 4 multiple in the sense 4k form. In 123 factorial is also 4 multiple. So this is 4k form. 124 factorial is also 4 multiple, 4k form. 124 factorial is also 4 multiple. This is also 4k form. So a power 4k unit digit is the same as a power 4. A power 4k unit digit is the same as a power 4. A power 4, right? So a is 2 here, here 3, here 4. A. So whatever the factorial is given, just consider only 4, because power is in factorial form. It is definitely in which form? 4k form, right? For factorial should be greater than or equal to 4, right? Right. That is, this factorial should be greater than or equal to 4 factorial, right? For those, the power is in which form? 4k form. For the 4k form, unit digit is same as a power 4. 2 power 4 is 16, unit digit is 6. 3 power 4 is nothing but 9 square, unit digit is 1. 4 power 4 is 16 square, unit digit is 6. 6 6 are 36, unit digit is 6. So if the factorial is given, just consider it as a 4k form, because the factorials from 4 onwards, 4 factorial is in 4k form, 5 factorial is in 4k form, 6 factorial is in 4k form. From 4 factorial onwards, all the factorials are in 4k form. So a power 4k unit digit is same as what? A power 4. A power 4. That is the reason why. That is the reason why. Okay. Next question and last question of this session. 1 factorial power 1 is 1. 2 factorial is 2. 2 square is 4. 3 factorial is 6. 6 cube unit digit is 6. 6 cube unit digit is 6. Plus. Next is 4 factorial power 4. Next term is 4 factorial power 4. 4 factorial is nothing but 24. 24 power 4. No need to consider this digit 2. 4 power 4 unit digit. 4 power 4 unit digit. 4 power even. What I told. 4 power 4 even unit digit is 6. 4 square unit digit is 6. 4 power 4 is nothing but 16 square. 16 square is nothing but 256. Unit digit is 6. Next term is what? 5 factorial power 5. 5 factorial is 120. 120 power 5. Its unit digit is simply 0 power 5, which is nothing but unit digit is 0. Next term is 6 factorial power 6. 6 factorial is 720. Its unit digit is simply what? 0 power 6. Again 0 plus and so on, all are zeros. All these unit digits are zeros, because from 5 factorial onwards, unit digits are all zeros. From 5 factorial onwards, all the unit digits are zeros. So simply answer is 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 1 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 unit digit is 7. Unit digit is 7. That is the idea behind this question. That's all for the today's aptitude session. That's all for this session, my dear students. Whatever I was explained in this session, listen repeatedly, my dear viewers. You can crack any type of question in unit digit. What you need to remember is, whatever the number is given, just check two things. In the base, just consider one digit. In the power, just consider last two digits. And then next, check whether the power is in 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2, 4k plus 3 or 4k. A power 4k plus 1 form lo unte, if power is in 4k plus 1 form, its unit digit is same as a power 1. If the power is 4k plus 2 form, a power 4k plus 2 unit digit is same as a power 2. Like this. The only two steps, only 2 points are enough to crack, right? So all of you, those who are understand, if you feel this content is really helpful to all the placement aspirants, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. That's all for the today's session. I will come with another beautiful topic in the next session. Thank you one and all.